Is your Saturn Ion's clutch pedal feeling a bit off? This A-premium clutch pedal assembly might just be the fix you've been searching for, especially if you're rocking that 5-speed manual transmission. It's designed to replace original parts like 15,274,047 and 10,379,393, aiming to bring back that crisp, responsive feel to your clutch engagement. The fitment is pretty specific, so make sure your Ion is from 2003 to 2007 and has that manual gearbox. It covers a range of engines from 2L in the red line models all the way up to the 2.2L and 2.4L in the Ion 1, 2, and 3 trims. Now here's a little quirk. For the 2003 and 2004 models, the pedal might look a bit different visually, with a flange above the pivot point, but the company assures us that fit and function remain unaffected. That's a pretty bold claim, but it's good they're upfront about it. The build quality feels solid, and the bracket integration seems straightforward, which is always a relief for DIYers. Installing a clutch pedal assembly can be a bit of a chore, but having a well-made replacement like this makes the job much more manageable. It's reassuring to know that A-Premium backs this with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, giving you that extra peace of mind. If your clutch pedal is worn out, sticking, or just not feeling right, this assembly is a strong contender to get your Saturn Ion shifting smoothly again. It's a crucial component for any manual transmission driver, and this part seems to deliver on its promise of restoring that essential connection between you and your car.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.